So you have a broken hoe. Rather than throwing it away and buying a new one, instead, why not fix it? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing DIY repairs and creative things that strengthen the tool, make it better than new, and prolongs its life. Welcome to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. First, let's clear out the broken wood and clean up all the metal. Paint all the metal parts to protect them from all the abuse and the elements from weather. We get creative and paint our logo on the hoe. Nice. Let's address the handle. Cut off the broken end. Get the handle really smooth by stepping up the sanding grits. Treat the handle with several coats of boiled linseed oil. Drill a hole to receive the shaft of the hoe. Whittle the end to the inside diameter of the shield. Drill rivet holes from both sides. seat the shaft. We're using roofing nails for rivets because it's what we have on hand. Use shrink tube with a 3-to-1 shrinking ratio to protect the most vulnerable part, the connection between the handle and the shaft. Nice. So with a little effort and creativity, we saved yet another tool from the dump and gave it new life for years to come. If you'd like to learn more about fixing other tools and a lot of other things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.